like to look like an old lady.
So it's Wednesday morning. It's the 21st of March. And I'm pre-medicated. I'm about to go see Dr. Vin, and he is going to insert large needles into the back of my neck and then leave a catheter behind. And he's going to insert a radio wave emitter, and he's going to burn, destroy, desiccate, or otherwise render ineffective the sensory cutaneous nerves from my C-spine that exit through the facets. I'm hopeful it's going to give me some pain relief and cut down on my little tremors.
And I'm the driver.
And this,
and taking
of
care
course,
of
is
him.
the DW. I'm ready to go.
And I'm going to make sure they treat you right.
I'm ready to make this happen.
Okay, let's do it.
Lidocaine. 1, 2, 3. Bee sting. Ant bite. For Sprix, though, I'll send it through Cardinal Pharmacy so then they can deliver it to your house. Okay? They help with the prior authorization. How is the prior authorization for you over there? Because it is killing me with all the medications.
So basically, you state in writing that due to your clinical experience and the clinical situation of the patient and the drugs, that you do not expect it to be effective, the stepwise therapy, that they are required by law to approve the drug you prescribe.
Wow.
And they have to do it within 73 hours.
Oh, that's perfect.
I sure don't feel anything.
You don't feel anything?
I put lidocaine so you shouldn't feel too much. You may feel a little bit heat here in a little bit, but the lidocaine numbed it up, so you shouldn't expect too much. See that?
And then how long do you usually do this for?
80 seconds.
Oh, okay. So it's not long at all.
Yeah, just enough to create, it's about a 10 millimeter sphere.
Okay. And will that permanently kill those nerves?
Nope, unfortunately not.
They'll grow back?
So nerves,
Bummer.
what it does, it destroys it, so it doesn't work, but the nerves will eventually grow back. And so the 3 to 6 months period that it may help is calculated from how fast the nerves regrow and reattach itself.
So is this something you can repeat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, so most insurance will allow us to repeat it every 6 months.
If it works, it doesn't matter.
Correct.
He's being really nice.
Good, Doc.
Yes, sir.
And don't forget, so the Toradol should help the pain from this procedure for tomorrow and the next day, but you may still feel a little bit more soreness in the next 48 hours, okay? Just don't be alone.
Good. So outside of Toradol and lidocaine, did you put any steroids in this time?
Yep, yeah, a little bit.
Just a little bit? Okay. That's going to have some blood drawn tomorrow, so...
So you may see your glucose a little high tomorrow.
Yeah.
Is that for insurance or something?
No, I'm going
Annual?
vegan, and I want to do a follow-up civil labs in September a month. I want to make sure that my cholesterol's down.
He's lost about 30 pounds.
Oh, wow.
I've been able to drop my blood pressure medicine, and I dropped my cholesterol medicine, thinking I wouldn't need it anymore. So, the only meds I'm taking are just having to do with my neck. I'm taking the Lyrica and the cycloprine.
Because I have
Then, of course, in the evening when I leave, I do have a lot of longevity in the family, so they all help.
And that's a wrap.
I am here to tell you about Meta 7. Meta 7 combines 7 vital nutrients that boost your metabolism. These essential nutrients boost your energy level and may even help you lose weight. The goal of Meta 7 is to help you activate your life. So if you are feeling a bit sluggish and want your energy back, try Meta 7 today.
I'm trying to show excitement right now.
Woohoo.
I'm just feeling drowsy.
All right, you should turn it off.
You think so?
Yeah.
But I like looking at you because you're so pretty.
Oh, you're so sweet. I like looking at you too.
Yeah, I'm ugly. All right.
All right, let's do this.